In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your Intuit account using QuickBooks, a go-to solution for many business owners and accounting professionals. Navigating through account settings can be tricky, but by following these straightforward steps, you'll gain confidence in managing your account details securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and direct your attention to QuickBooks' online homepage. If you're not logged in automatically, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This is your gateway to accessing everything QuickBooks has to offer for your business: organized financials, tax documents, invoices, and more. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard that offers a bird's-eye view of your financial world. Now, what we're interested in today is managing our Intuit account settings. Direct your gaze to where your account information is displayed, typically nestled around the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on your account name will open a drop-down menu with several options tailored for your user profile. From the drop-down menu, you will see an option called Manage Your Intuit Account. Click on it to navigate to a new section where you can handle various aspects of your account. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section because it holds control over many important features such as user permissions, billing information, and more. Once you're in the account management section, you'll want to ensure your sign-in details and security settings are up to date. Look for the Sign In and Security tab. It'll be clearly labeled and usually found within the account settings page. Clicking on this tab will take you to the place where you can revise your login credentials to ensure your account remains secure. An essential point to remember is that keeping your password strong and updated is vital for securing your financial data. Within the Sign In and Security area, you'll come across the Password option. Clicking on Password will guide you through the process of setting a new password. Be sure to choose one that's strong yet memorable. Consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to create a robust password that is difficult to guess. That wraps up this guide on managing your Intuit account through QuickBooks. It's always wise to routinely check these settings, ensuring all your information is current and secure. Doing so not only helps guard against unauthorized access, but also gives you peace of mind, knowing that your business's financial data is protected. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!